Now take this one. This one. Take this one. Okay? Keep your press. Yeah, we're gonna make Christmas tree, Jordan. Let's do this. Take this one. Okay. Take this one. Let's press. Yeah. Let's do a green. One more green. Take. Hold. Press. Yeah. The Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Come. Yeah, let's not press this so much. Okay. Let's want to make one more. 1, 2. And let's make one more. 3. Yay, we made a Christmas tree. Okay, let's use this big one. Okay, the big tree. Right there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, one more. Let's make this big one. Yes. Whoa, it looks good, isn't it? Want to try blue? Want to try blue? Let's try blue. Yeah. Yes. Let's do. Here. We'll do it here. Wait. Yeah. Very good. Yay. Want to do one green? Show me your hand. Hold. Yes. Okay, not bad. You want to do? Let's do this big one. The big tree here. Okay. Yay, we're done with the stamping. This. Okay. Yes, good. Where you're planning to put this? Put it in. Okay.